Are you okay, buddy?
With the yeah, the Billy Club. Oh, you guys gotta start moving.
Like, it's going like, so like, and she had it out, so like, this, like, she's like holding it, like, so like, they were, while they were like arguing across the counter that was couldn't really see, like, she had them standing there, like putting it down.
Out and like stopped an intersection for an ambulance to get through. Whew.
You got your seatbelt on? I know, because you don't have your seatbelt.
'Policy position that was mentioned. There were hints at policy positions, but there was no clear policy position that was laid out. My favorite fact about her launching her campaign
(1056)
I'm not driving on 29 at all. How'd you find out they moved it? I looked it up because I was like, honk it down. What? Did I hit my car? I don't know. Did I hit anything? I don't think so, but you might have, because I thought I was going off.
The intersection was not marked for no U-turns, but come on now, if you're gonna make a U-turn, make sure there's no traffic, or speed up.
Sense of pride. He says, quote, "Mr. Cohen, the witch is dead. I can eat in peace now." John Curry is
being a part of the Chicago Police Consent Decree. A recent report by the Marshall Project found that most police departments across the country give first aid training to police recruits, and half require officers to provide aid whenever possible. Jonathan Smith used to investigate police departments at the U.S. Department of Justice and has been involved.
If you like this video, please like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new videos.